Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing of Disney's Raya and the Last Dragon. This is the Blu-ray DVD digital copy combo. So we are getting Raya and the Last Dragon on disc. It comes out May 18th, so we do have an early look for you courtesy of Walt Disney Studios Home Entertainment. Thank you again to Disney for sending us this copy for the purpose of review. There's a sticker on the front that advertises some of the bonus features that you'll find in this set, which includes Us Again, the theatrical short. So if you saw the film on Disney Plus, you wouldn't have seen Us Again yet. If you went to the theaters, you saw Us Again, and this is the home video debut of that new short. Also says it has outtakes, deleted scenes, and more. Now, as you can see, there is no slipcover. I am assuming that Disney did not make one for this release. Based on the artwork that they put out for the 4K, it looks like there is a slipcover only for the 4K edition, which we didn't receive for our preview. But the spine of the case, it does have kind of a almost white silver color scheme, and it has Raya on the side, the same face that you see on the cover, which has Raya and Sisu in dragon form. The back of the case has this artwork with all of the characters rushing through Kumandra, and then it lists off a lot of the bonus features that you'll find in the set. As we already mentioned, Us Again, outtakes, and deleted scenes. It has a feature called Taste of Raya, which has Kelly Marie Tran interviewing the filmmakers about the making of the film. Bringing It Home is all about how the film was made at home during the pandemic. So it says that it's going to take you into 450 homes for the making of Raya and the Last Dragon. A bonus feature all about the different types of martial arts that were incorporated into the film. They kind of fused together a lot of Southeast Asian martial arts influences to create a unique style for the film. We Are Kumandra, a bonus feature all about all of the other cultural elements that were put into the film. Fun facts and Easter eggs. I always love Easter egg bonus features because they point out where all the hidden gems are, and more. So I'm excited to see what the more is, but for now we're going to take a look under the shrink wrap, see what the discs look like. So inside the case you get a digital copy code. It's redeemable through Movies Anywhere, and so it gives you that code. It is themed, also earns you points from Disney Movies Insider. And then there's also a flyer for the Disney Movie Club. It has Forky on the front, it has Onward on the back. And then no disc art with the Blu-ray release. The 4K disc usually has disc art. Best Buy is doing a Steelbook release, and they sometimes do disc art for all of the discs in the Steelbook. That will be the Blu-ray and the 4K. It won't have the DVD in the Steelbook from Best Buy, but if you're looking for disc art, that's probably your best bet for getting it on all the discs. Again, this comes out May 18th on Blu-ray, 4K. It's already available on digital. You can watch it on Disney Plus with Premiere Access. It's in some theaters depending on where you live. But I quite like the film. I've actually seen it 3 times. I've seen it on Premiere Access. I've seen it in theaters. I will say on the big screen, there were things that I didn't notice when I watched it at home. So I was glad to have that opportunity to see it on a big screen. But it's a great film. I highly recommend it. I love the music. I really love the story and the message in it, and I think you guys will like it too. So again, you can pick this up on May 18th. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.